Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I have some storage items from TEMU, mostly storage items, just a few things. I am wearing my favorite t-shirt from TEMU. This says meow on it. It's just super cute. It looks like she's doing a Mask Monday. But this is TEMU Tuesday. So I have a few things I wanted to show you. When this came to me, I bought this with my own money. I don't get PR. So I wish I should have taken a picture of the bundle before. It's just all smashed and smushed. And so some things are a little smashed up. And I'm not too happy about that. Like this, I thought this was the cutest thing. It's just pretty. I love the color. It's a nice circle thing. It is a Lazy Susan type of a thing. So you can spin it and then you can also pick it up. So this is great for, your condiments at supper time or lunchtime or something, that you can put your things in here and put it down on the table and people can just spin it around to take what they want. But you can see it's a little warped because of the way it was packaged. So I will let TEMU know about that. But I'm hoping maybe it'll unwarp. Maybe. This was $1.78, and it came in a couple different colors, I believe. So you can have this in your shelf, in the cabinet and spices, and then you can turn it to where you need it, or wherever you might want to put it. You can put it under the bathroom sink, even. I mean, anywhere that you need some help. Kitchen sink, put your cleansers and things in here, I thought it was for $1.78, I thought it was great. And next I got this. Now this is not a storage item, but I've been looking for a while and I've been trying to look at my measurements, and I needed something for the inside of the pet carrier that I have. It's quite big. It'll hold my two big boys, and they are 12 and 13 pounds, or 13 and 14 pounds. I forget how big they are, but I've bought a couple. I bought one that was padded, that was way too big, and they do like that. I have it on a chair in my living room. They love it. And then I bought one that was way too small. I have it in the carrier right now because at least it's better than nothing. This is more of a blanket, and the measurements were right, and it was $2.06, so that's why I got this one. It's just gonna be easy to wash. It's like a little flannel blanket that's edged, that's nicely edged. So I can throw it in the wash whenever I need to. And it came in different prints, and this was just cute. Hey, Smudge. And it is, so opposite on the other side. You want to sit. It's white. Well, you can see it's sort of a white and a beige going on. Okay, Smudge. Smudge is here. And Camille has come up. He's got stuff on him. Okay. I just can't get him to stay because she comes up and causes trouble, as you can see. Next, I got this for my bedside table because I have a lot of little things on my bedside table. I have little under eye type things and little lotions and potions, and Camille is in that very bad, rotten kitten stage where she knocks absolutely everything she knocks down. So this was $2.68, and it's just adorable. It has little feet on it, and then you can put all kinds of things in here, you can even put your cell phone in here, or remote control or whatever. Different things can fit in here. So I thought that would be nice to have at my bedside table. And it's plastic, so it's easy to clean. If anything spills, or lotion or something gets in it or something like that, it's easy to take care of. And I got this for the bathroom. This I thought was really cool because I need something to hold my toothbrush and my toothpaste, because they just get pushed around on the countertop. I have a big countertop. So this, it came in a couple of different colors. It's so nice because look at how it is. It has 3 compartments. And this is the one I got is blue. It has these little ridges on the bottom to like little feet to keep it from slipping. And it all comes apart. First of all, when you have it just on your counter, it has this space. If too much water gets in there, it will come out. And then it all comes apart, so it's easy to clean. Super easy to clean. And this is a good heavy plastic. I thought that was really cool. And that was $3.78. They have the best organizational things on TEMU, the very best. And then this thing was 88 cents. I've gotten similar things like to this on, you know, at the dollar stores. So now things are $1.25. This was 88 cents. This has little tiny feet on the bottom, and it's a thin sort of plastic, but this can hold all kinds of things, and it's got handles, which is nice. So I thought that was cute. That's an apricot, and that came in different colors. And I got one more thing for the bathroom. And then I got this because my bathroom is older and it has tile. And I do have one of those spring sort of loaded things that goes into the corner, and it has shelves. Well, that doesn't last forever. They get rusted, even though they say they're never going to rust. They do. And it's nice to have, though, because you can put your bottles of shampoo, your shower gels, all that kind of stuff can go up on there. So I thought instead of getting another one of those, because of the price, this was $8.48 for both of these. There's two of them, and this will fit into the corner. So you can put one on each side of your shower, or you could put them, you know, in different heights in the shower, which is what I'm gonna do. And they come with the clips, and see, this will, I think it'll go on here. I'm not sure which, here I think. But if you look at the website, if I remember, I'll put the link below. If I forget and somebody's interested, just ask me and I'll find it for you. This that I bought came with, well, doesn't come with, it's on the website. It has a video of how to install it, and it's super easy to install. It shows you how to put these up so that you can, you know, put it up properly and line it up, and then it'll hold on with this sticky stuff. And then it will hold your bottle of shampoo, and like I said, your conditioner, your shower gel, your sponge gel, your you know, scrubby things, whatever you have can go in those and hold all your stuff. So I thought that was really cool because I'm not necessarily good at installing things. So the fact that this came with an instructional video that I can go to at any time on the TEMU site, I thought that was really cool. And since there are two shelves, you could buy one shelf, you could buy in two shelves, you can buy them in white or black, and it comes with two of these for each shelf. So I have four of these because I got the 2-pack, and it was a little bit cheaper to buy the 2-pack than it was to buy one in, you know, one here and then try it and then try one later. So I thought I just would buy it all at one time, and hopefully it's going to work well for me. And you can see how it is. It's not going to last forever, probably. You know, eventually this will rust. That's what's happened in my bathroom. Is it's white coated like this, but eventually over time, a few years, it rusts. So that'll probably happen someday with this. But you know, then your products drain, and hopefully it will fit nicely and stick to my tile well. So that is what I have from TEMU for today. And I have a code for TEMU for you to save 30% if you've never shopped from them before. But I'm not even going to post that because I'm not an affiliate, and there's no need for me to post that because everybody I know already has shopped at TEMU. So if you are interested in trying TEMU for the first time, or I'm not really sure if you can, I need to ask some of these channels, buy under a channel that is an affiliate. I think they get credit for your purchases. So ask me. I know a few. I know several, actually. So I will, if I remember, I'll put the channels below. If you have any questions, just ask me. So this is what I got for my bedside table. For my bathroom, for my toothbrushes, I like that a lot. This fabulous thing here that I hope does pop out some, and oh, this basket I had to put down because Camille came up. Nice little basket for 88 cents. And this, I'm excited about this because it'll keep them comfortable in the carrier, and it's probably a little bit small because I have a big, huge carrier, but it'll be just about right. It won't slop up the sides or anything. Yeah, maybe that'll be just about right. So, and then I can throw that in the wash. After I take them to the vet, bring them home, throw it in the wash, get it nice and clean. And that will be nice to have. I wanted to say there's some negative talk about TEMU out there. There's negative talk about many companies, every company that we buy from. Many products that we buy in the United States are made overseas. And you just will have to make your own decision about it. I choose to still buy from TEMU, and I like them. They're nice people when I talk to them, and they're very helpful, and it's up to you what you want to do. But I don't buy excessively from them. I buy once in a while, so I will probably continue to do that until something changes. I just want to say that. And thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.